back with another Pokemon card opening. But today we got two packs. We got these from Sam's Club, and they're $20 a piece, which is actually a really good deal. So you get the Cario GX box, and you get the Snorlax GX box. And then on top of that, this one, if it was more two packs like this, I would probably bought them. But instead, I got just these two because that's all that was there. So it's the Tapu Koko figure collection, and then you got the shiny Tapu Koko box. So with that said, I think I'm gonna open up. I think I'm gonna do the shiny Tapu Koko box today. It's gonna be a total of 4 videos, so I'll probably do this one and post other ones. So with that said, I'm gonna open this one and I'll be right back. So here I go. I took it all out the wrapper and it's gonna be in this one. So let me open this box up for you. So let's see what comes inside. By the way, I hope y'all having a good day. I hope y'all ready for Thanksgiving and a good Black Friday sale. I know I am, for sure. I'm gonna be looking around for sure for some hidden Pokemon cards or some cheap deals, You know me. I try to get the cheapest deals I can. Sometimes it's not cheap, but you know how it goes. So this one comes with the box. It comes with the Tapu Koko GX. And then it comes with the... Okay, so I'll show you what else it comes with over here. It comes with the big card. Really nice right there. I actually like that card a lot. Got one moment. Let me fix this lighting up a little bit. I feel like it's a little too dark. Sorry about that. Alright, so I hope the lighting a little bit better for y'all. So it actually comes with that, the 2 GXs right there. Also comes with code card for y'all to use. And then it comes with 4 packs. It comes with a Sun Moon base, Garden Rising, and then Stream Seed. So with that said, let's go with this one. Wishing you good luck in this one. I don't know what the count is on these, so I'm gonna just show y'all this. I think it's nothing good, but let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's always good to see some XY cards, I think it's XY. Yeah, XY cards. So let's see. Among Us, Space Charge, Neater, right there, Harvesta, you got the Monkeys, Drifloon, Marp Reap, something like that, Fletching, then you got a Reverse Hollow. Reverse hollow. So that. So let's open one of these. See how this Garden Rising treat us. Let's see. Down below, let me know which one's y'all favorite card that I pull out of this video. Also. And it looks like a good card to me. There's a code card for y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy. We got Altar of Sunny. Graveler. Fletcher. Rockruff, Goomy, Slowpoke, Mudbray, reverse hollow, and we got a hollow. There we go. Not too bad, not too bad. Probably put it over here right beside that one. It's a hollow. As a matter of fact, I only put the GXs up there, so let's put that down over there. I hope y'all enjoying my videos, by the way, and I like doing that. I mean, I like collecting Pokemon cards anyway, so I mean, might as well record it and see if y'all actually enjoy it. There we go. 2, 3, 4. Let's see if this box was really worth anything. Timer Ball, Pinsir, Marcini, Stuffle, Chocolate Mario, Grimer, got a Growlithe, and a Parasite. There. Okay, so we got one more pack. Hopefully this is where the goods are. So let's check. One, 2, 3, 4. Electric. Holla. Wishy-washy. Mudbray. Slowpoke. Reverse Holla Be Rare. And a regular card. Wow. That was like a horrible box. Well, it wasn't that horrible. I mean, I got the 2 GXs right here. And then we got the big GX, of course. And then we got some okay cards. I mean, nothing too bad. We got the hollow. And we got a reverse hollow be rare, reverse hollow Growlithe, Sliggoo, and a special charge. Well, I wasn't like nothing too excited, but if y'all didn't see my last video, I did pull gold. So, and I pulled some nice shiny cards from Hidden Fate packs. It was an amazing video, amazing pulls. So with that said, I will be doing this pack next. So hit that notification and that bell so y'all will be able to see all the latest videos from this channel. So with that said, this is Gamer Mike with another Pokemon card opening. I hope y'all have a blessed day.